Good evening, friends. If you have observed our previous videos, uh, we mentioned that Nifty is bullish and we may expect 17,500 levels. And we also mentioned it took a good support at 15,800, 600, 16,000 support levels. Looking at the global, we can expect a gap up, and whether it will sustain, move up, we would probably give our views on the live trading hours. Some of the stocks which we wanted to share is Reliance. Reliance has moved out of channel. It may retest 2,430 levels. However, we would recommend to buy about 2450, expecting a target of 2680. And if it is able to sustain then we can even look at 2900 levels. Stop loss would be 2415. Time frame we could expect somewhere 3 to 4 months. The other stocks which we are looking at intraday is Infosys. One may look to buy above 1905 only for a target of 1925 to 333, and the short term target would be 1980 2015. Apollo Hospital, though we are bullish from some time, as we expected, a small resistance has been created, and it moved downwards and tested 4,700. If it is able to sustain above 5,180, then we can easily look at 5,500 to 6,000 levels. Currently, on an intraday basis, one may possibly look to buy only above 4,850. 4,850 for a target of 4,975. Infosys has been rallying well. We can look to buy Infosys currently only about 1,900 for a target of 1980. UPL is bullish currently, and if it is able to sustain above 1460, then we could easily look at 1520. Tata Steel is something which we are very keenly looking at on the long term perspective. If it is able to sustain above 1360, then on 3 to 4 months we can look at 1560 to 1650. If we look at the weekly candle, a strong pullback has the bulls were able to move above our trend line support. The other data also is showing us slight bullishness. However, we will only look to buy above 1360. Intraday view for HCLTECH would be we're looking to buy. One can look at buying one above only 1204, and I'm also looking a strong possibility of it to test buy out to 1140. So with a slight risk below 1190 or 1188, we can look to short for a target of 1140 levels. Kotak Bank has been very strong. Our view on Kotak is bullish. We can look to buy Kotak Mahindra Bank above 1830 for a possible target of 1920 to 2000. United Breweries is also bullish. Here again, if you see that there's a pin bar and there's a strong pullback. Our target on United Breweries, we can expect 1525 levels by tomorrow. HCLTECH, one can look to buy this above 1204. At Industries, we are very bullish, and we in fact have picked up few quantities. Our target is pretty high. We're expecting somewhere close to 9,950 to 1,080 levels. For an intraday, one can buy about, one can still add now at up to 865. McDowell's, if you see, we had mentioned earlier also hold for a target of 1000. We still maintain the same view. In fact, we can even look at 1140. ICICI is a good swing trade. We may see some pullback, and we can expect up to 950 levels. Intraday, we may choose to buy it above 775 for a target of 812. Let's look at Axis Bank.